me a party, I'll be here. Somewhere in the corner, under clouds of marijuana, with this boy who's all and I can hardly hear. Over this music I don't listen to, and I don't wanna get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be going here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Social pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know you mean only the best, and your intentions aren't to bother me, but honestly I'd rather be somewhere with my people. We can kick it and just listen to some music with the message like we usually do, and we'll discuss our big dreams that we plan to take over the planet. So pardon my manners, I hope you'll understand that I'll be here. So tell them I'll be here, right next to the boy who's throwing up, cause he can't take what's in it. No more Obama and my dear. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh, what you might for here. Oh